Hello, super readers. It's Mrs. Feldkamp here with our sixth reading lesson. Can you believe we're already on our sixth one? It's called Alphabet Books Are Awesome! This is going to be different than a normal reader's workshop because we are going to focus specially on alphabet books. I'll show you what I mean, but first, let's warm up our brains with a sounds race. See how fast you can say each letter sound. Can you beat me? We're going to start with the red column. On your mark, get set, go. B, t, m. Up to the top of the orange column. Ready? X, l, n, Phew! Keep going to the yellow column. Here we go. V, a, k, a. Last but not least, the green column. Go. G, I, w, qu. How'd you do? Did you get them all right? All right, readers. Now that we've warmed up our brains, I thought today I'd show you a few great ways to read ABC books. And then maybe some of you could even invent more totally fun ways to read them at home. All right, let's look at this alphabet book and think about how these types of books go. Before we even open the book, think to yourself, what do you think we will see on every page? Can you whisper what you're thinking? Did you say letters or your ABCs? Yes! These books really help us develop our letter and sound power. But to get that power, you don't just read the book. Instead, you use the book to help you think about letters and sounds. Just like always, I'm going to look carefully at the pictures in my book to figure out how it works. So here is the first page. In this book, each page shows a letter and a few pictures of different words that begin with that letter. Watch how I use the letters and sounds to figure out each word on this page. Okay, I see a big A and a little a. A. A is for plane? Jet? Oh yeah, airplane. That makes more sense. All right, let's try this one. Ant? Yep, ant. That starts with a, which is what one of the sounds A makes. Why is there a crocodile on the A page? Oh wait, owl. Alligator! Duh, that must be alligator. Oh my goodness, a monkey in an apron. Wait, apron, yeah, that starts with A, the long A sound. But monkey? No, that doesn't make sense. That starts with Here it says app. Nope, ape. Oh, it starts with the other sound for A, Mr. A sound in ape. Got it. So, if you're reading with a family member at home, you can play a game with your ABC books. You can ask, why this picture? Let's try it now together with a few more pages from our ABC book. All right, letter B, balloon, boat, bear in a bubble bath, and bus. Why those pictures? Why did the author choose these words for this page? Go ahead and pause the movie and tell someone close to you at your house what you think. All right, C, cake, cat, camel, and cow. Why are those pictures on this page? Go ahead and tell someone at your house. Why is there a cake, a cat, a camel, and a cow on the C page? What did you say? Is it because C can make the k sounds and all of the words start that same way? Okay, That was too easy for you smarty kindergarten readers, so let's play a different game. You'll try it out with me. It's called Guess What's Next. In our ABC book that we've been working with today, we just had the C page with cake, couch, camel, and cow. Now it's your turn to guess what's next. So, first of all, what letter is going to come next if we just had C? Can you shout it out loud right now? Did you say, let's see, A, B, C, D? Yeah. So maybe there will be new objects for our letter D on this page. What objects or animals might we see that begin with D, the D sound? I'm wondering if there might be a duck, maybe a dinosaur, a daisy, D. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, there's a dog. That says doll. Lots of dolls. Oh my goodness. A drum, but look what's playing with it. Playing the drum. A donkey. Finally, any last guess about what's going to be in the last picture? Let's see. A duck. Dog, drum, doll, duck. Did you guess any of those pictures for this page? We'll play Guess What's Next for one more page of our ABC book. So here's the next page. Guess what comes next here? I'll give you one hint. It's kind of a tricky one because this page had both E and F on it. So you'll need to think of words that start with E, the eh or E sound, and words that start with the F sound. Click pause if you wish and think about some words that start with those two letters. Okay, if you're back from clicking pause, let's slowly uncover these pictures on this page. Oh, for E, I see an egg and an elf that's eating the eggs, and an elephant. Oh, I knew there was going to be an elephant. There always is for letter E. Next, F takes up many pictures. So F says the F sound. There's family, a fence, fire engine, fox, fish, and frogs. Did you get any of those pictures right? There's even a third activity to try today, readers, and it's called Add More Words. First, read the page in the book. Then think of a couple more words you might add. So, let's see. If we're playing Add More Words with this G page, what else could we add? So far, there's a giraffe, a guitar, a goat, and gum because G can sometimes say J or G. It has both those sounds. So G, What about garbage or garden or even green beans? Do you have any more to add? And now take a second yourself and see if you can add more words to the H page. Here's what they have already. Hat, horse, helicopter, and house. Remember that H says the H sound in words. Are you still with me? Okay, readers, here's one last game to play with your ABC books. It's called Same and Different. Get out two ABC books, flip to the same letter in each book, and check out what is the same, if anything at all, you'll have to see, and what is different with the words and pictures on the pages. Here are two books I used. The ABC book I started with in this lesson that we've been using, and then the other page toward the bottom is from Curious George Learns His Alphabet. So I can see that the first ABC book has 4 different pictures, but the Curious George book only has kangaroos. The top says kangaroo, kite, king and kitten. The bottom says a kangaroo, so only one animal, but they name her a kangaroo named Katie and her kid. Do you see any other ways you could compare these two pages? Readers, to review with ABC books, readers can ask, why this picture? They can play guess what's next. They can add more words to each page, or they can grab two different ABC books and play same and different. To do your reading work today, see if you can find any alphabet or ABC books in your very own home. I did a really quick scan of my kids' bookshelf and I found these three right away. It might also be that you don't have any ABC books at your house at all. If you don't have any alphabet books, luckily there are a ton of places online to check out. One such site is called Tumble Books, and Stillwater Schools has a free trial. So the username is ponies, and you can type in the password trial. If you are a part of Raz Kids for your class, I found an alphabet book right on Raz Kids. I recently joined Kindle Unlimited for 2 months free is what I was able to get. So maybe your parents would want to check that out if they're an Amazon customer. The Washington County Library has free ebooks that kids can check out with their library card, or adults. And I did a kind of a pre-screen and saw that there were indeed alphabet books for kids available on there. And then finally, Epic, which is an app or a website for reading, which some of you have already logged into, is a really great option for kids' books. And currently they have a free trial going on as well. If you'd like to check out that option, they definitely have alphabet books on there too. So those are just some options for you to work with alphabet books today if you don't have any actual books at your house. All right, your turn to play some of these games with your alphabet books at home. I hope you enjoy yourself and see all the different ways that alphabet books can be used to help you get really smart at reading. Go be readers, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.